Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. As you can see, today's tutorial is related to how can we shift the DEM data according to the X and Y point, like right and to left and to down and to right one. So for when I show you, so you will understand it better. As you can see, here is a 2DM data which here will be showing to you. First one is that and second one is this. Let me show you. Yes, as you can see, wait a minute, I change its color so you will be showing, it will be showing to you. As you can see, yes, this one. So this will be changed from it, but the latitude and longitude will be same. It's of our one student which have a facing problem to shifting it from right to left and up to down because its location nearly to it. So that's why for it we used a simple tool. That one will be open our toolbox. We simply go to the data management tool, then we come here to the projection and transformation, then we open the raster one, and then we use this shift one. So this is the shift which easily to shift according to the X and Y coordinate. So where you want to shift, as you can see, I am keep it just for example, I keep here 10 to the positive one. If you want to left side, you need here to negative sign. As you can see, I put here negative sign, and with the Y coordinates, if you want to up, so you keep it 10, and I will add here send this one. Okay, and now I give its output path, so it will be changed from its origin according to these values. Shift 2. So this value I keep as randomly for just telling you how can it will work. And also it, so it will be shifted according to the value one and without losing altitude. So the altitude value will be same. If by mistake if you lost your origin position, so you can use this tool and to clarify it. So as you can see, it will shift from origin to up 10 and to the left side with a negative on x-axis, so it will be 10. So this small video for this how can you can do it, and I hope so it will help you. If you like our videos, so you need to subscribe and channel, and you need to share our channel with your friends. Thank you so much.